Hello and welcome to another Fire Alarm unboxing. Let's get started. Can't do this with one hand. The first device will be dun 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 dun. It's an Edwards 965-7A 4RR speaker strobe. Screen is just stuff. Of course, here's the actual speaker strobe itself. Of course, we can just do that. Wow, look at that. Looks pretty cool. Next up, we've got a Gentex Commander 4. Sorry, I can't talk with my normal voice. I'm just not 100%. Call this Commander 4 mounting bracket. Just 24C. Where's the alarm itself? Boom, there it is. Wow. Ooh. Wow, look at that. A lot of people have the red version, I have the white version. It's right there. Oh, right there. It's multi-candela. Yeah, this is a newer looking Commander 3, and it's ceiling mounted, and I'm just showing you how it is mounted. These are pretty compact, honestly. Honestly, I'm still kind of shocked about the Commander 4. Anyways, it's also the wall mount version, the ceiling mount version of this, the Commander 3. Again. Model GCC 24CW. That was an awesome video. Thanks for watching. Bye.